Good morning. Today's topic is hemophilia. So let us discuss with the hemophilia. What is it? So we can say it is a group of hereditary genetic disorder that impair the body's ability to control blood clotting or coagulation, which is used to stop bleeding when a blood vessel is broken. So if you have hemophilia, you may bleed for a longer time than others after an injury. Now what are the signs and symptoms? A. Bleeding in the urine. B. Bleeding in the stool. C. Heavy bleeding from a minor cut. D. Nosebleeds for no obvious reason. E. Bleeding and swelling knee, elbow and other joints. F. A bleeding into the CNS, CNS, central nervous system. See, this is the diagram or picture. We can see here a boy which is bleeds from the nose, and second picture shows the swelling of the knee, left knee. Now what causes hemophilia? So it's caused by if defect in one of the genes that determine how the body makes blood, clotting factor 8th or 9th. These genes are located on the X chromosomes. Chromosomes comes in pair. Female have 2 X chromosomes, while male have 1 X and 1 Y chromosomes. Only the X chromosomes carries the genes related to the clotting factor. A male who has a faulty hemophilia gene on his X chromosomes will have hemophilia. A female must have the faulty gene on both of her X chromosomes to have hemophilia, which are very rare. If a female has a faulty gene on only one of her X chromosomes, she is a hemophilia carrier, and carriers do not have hemophilia, but they can pass the faulty gene to their children. Below are 2 examples of how the hemophilia genes is inherited. Now see the diagram, see the pictures, the father and mother. If the father does not have hemophilia, a normal copy of gene, mother carrier of the hemophilia, 1 copy of hemophilia gene. So key is normal gene on X chromosomes, whereas hemophilia gene on X chromosomes and Y. X, in case of X, hemophilia gene on X chromosomes. In case of the Y, normal Y chromosomes. The daughter does not have hemophilia, normal copies of genes. Daughter carrier of the hemophilia, 1 copy of hemophilia gene. Son does not have hemophilia, normal copies of gene. Son has hemophilia, 1 copy of hemophilia gene. Similarly, the father XY has hemophilia, 1 copy of hemophilia gene. Mother does not have hemophilia, normal copies of gene. In key, the X normal gene on X chromosomes, hemophilia gene on X chromosomes, and Y normal Y chromosomes. In case of daughter carrier of hemophilia XX and one copy of the hemophilia gene. Daughter XX carrier of the hemophilia, one copy of the hemophilia gene. Son does not have hemophilia, normal copies of gene, or son does not have hemophilia YX, normal copies of gene. Now treatment. The main treatment of the hemophilia is called replacement therapy. The concentrates of the clotting factor 8 for hemophilia A or clotting factor 9 for hemophilia B are slowly dripped or injected into a vein. These infusions help replace the clotting factor and that's missing or low. The clotting factor concentrate can be made from human blood. The blood is treated as a prevent the spread of diseases such as hepatitis. With the current method of this screening and treating do not blood the risk of genetic getting an infectious disease from human clotting factor is very small. Now antifibrinolytic medicines including tranexamic acid and amino caproic acid may be used in the replacement therapy. They are usually given as a pills and they help keep blood clots from the breaking down. And these medicines most often are used before dental work or treating bleeding from the mouth or nose. Now B. Desmopressin DDAVP is a man-made hormone used to treat the people who have hemophilia. DDAVP stimulates the release of the stored factor 8 and DDAVP usually is given by injection or as nasal spray. The advent of the new material, attention to pneumaticus operative technique used to local hemostatic agent and an increasing interest in the prevention of the dental problem along with the development of the minimally invasive techniques herald a new era in dental care for patients with congenital bleeding disorder. There are two main types of the hemophilia. Hemophilia A is the commonest, accounting for approximately 85% of all cases of the hemophilia and characterized by a deficiency of factor 8. Hemophilia B is characterized by a deficiency of factor 9 and this is we can see through this picture soft tissue bleeds and bruising, neck emergency, deltoid forearm bleeding and bruising, buttock bleeds, iliopsoas bleeding, thigh calf bleeding, and the clinical classification of persons with either hemophilia A or B. It can be shown by this chart, you can see, and these are the pictures by the mention of the normal or bleeding disorder through this. Injury occurs. Injury to blood vessels results in bleeding. Vessel constricted and clotting factors are activated. Normal along with this other substances clotting factor it cause a strong platelets plug to form, whereas hemophilia A lack of clotting factor 8 cause a weak platelets plug to form. Now Willebrand disease is the commonest congenital bleeding disorder and characterized by the deficiency of the abnormal plasma protein known as a Wilbrandt factor, and it is autosomal dominant condition and affect both males and females. The bleeding after the dental excision by the presenting feature of this condition. Thank you.